Do you know what is prolactin hormone? What does it do? Where does it come from and how it is controlled? And if the level of the prolactin increases, what all can happen? Is prolactin hormone found only in female or in men as well? And what is the role in men? And many more to know. We'll discuss all of that in our today's topic. Namaste. My name is Dr. Tanvi Mayur Patel. I'm an endocrinologist, hormone specialist doctor from Mumbai, India. Today, this video is a part of our prolactin hormone series. There are many videos are made on this topic which is related to prolactin or imbalance of the prolactin and how it is treated. So today we are talking about the basics of the prolactin hormone, that what is it? Now, it is of course a hormone. It's a chemical which comes from our pituitary gland. Now, for your information, pituitary gland is a small pea-sized gland which is located in our brain. It is this pituitary gland which secretes many hormones, and one such hormone is called as prolactin. Many people don't know about this hormone unless and until their hormone level is disturbed or when a doctor has asked them to do the testing. And that's where they become curious about it. What is prolactin? Let's find out, isn't it? Now, since it is a chemical, let's discuss about the chemical structure. It is polypeptide, means there are many amino acids which are connected in a chain, and this chain of amino acids are called as polypeptide. So prolactin hormone is actually a polypeptide category of the hormone. Our body does not need this hormone in a larger quantity. The quantity needed is a very low. And in fact, the secretion of this prolactin hormone is also very pulsatile in nature. That means this hormone is not secreted continuously. There are times when suddenly the hormone secretion increases, then again it decreases. That is, the pulsatile fashion of the secretion is very peculiar of the prolactin hormone. When you wake up in the morning, the prolactin hormone secretion starts rising. And by the time you are reaching around afternoon time, again the level is high. And after the afternoon, the level of the secretion starts going down. And by the time you are in the evening time zone, the hormone secretion is very minimal. As the night progresses, the hormone secretion starts rising again. That means it is a quite pulsatile nature of the secretion is what very important for this hormone. Now let's find out what is the action of this hormone. Now, this hormone is particularly of importance in a females. Yes, in case of a woman, once the puberty comes, the estrogen hormone starts rising, and that is the hormone which also helps in the breast development. But prolactin hormone also has a very important role in the breast development. And when a woman becomes pregnant, at that time the hormone level starts rising. And it is this elevated level of prolactin which makes the breast tissue, mammary gland in the female ready for upcoming lactation, which will happen after the childbirth. So that means the prolactin hormone has a very important role in the breast development and breast growth and the preparation of the upcoming lactation. Once the delivery happens and the childbirth happens, suddenly the prolactin level starts rising. And it is this high level of the prolactin causes the lactation. And because this helps in the lactation, milk supply begins. This hormone is also called as a lactation hormone or lactotrophic hormone. That's the another name by which prolactin is famous. As the name only suggests, prolactin. Lactin means lactation. It helps in lactation. right? Not only that, till the time a woman is in her breastfeeding zone, lactation zone, it is this prolactin hormone which does not initiate a restarting of the menstrual cycle. And by this phenomenon, it also prevents the upcoming pregnancy. So we can say that this is a nature's way of preventing a conception. So we can say it is a contraceptive action of the prolactin hormone which prevents the subsequent pregnancies in a very short span of time. And this is done because the mother nature wants a female body to recur and to get repaired from the one child birth. So beautiful mother nature, isn't it? And that's how this prolactin hormone helps in this. Prolactin hormone has a very important role in our metabolism. Yes, whether we talk about the carbohydrate or protein or fat food what we eat, vitamins like vitamin D and a mineral like calcium, all of their metabolism, the prolactin has a very important role. And that is the reason why if your prolactin hormone is disturbed, you can have a struggle in your weight gain and a weight loss. So that's one another interesting point. Not only that, prolactin hormone is found to be very useful for our body's immune system. And by this, it helps in our immunity. Okay. Now let's learn whether this hormone is present in men or not. Answer is yes. This hormone is not a gender biased. It is present in both the gender, men and women, but in women, the role is much more deeper and intense. But in case of a men, prolactin hormone has a 2-3 vital function. One, it helps in controlling the level of the estrogen, testosterone in men. Not only that, of course, it helps in the metabolism and immunity, but if prolactin hormone is disturbed, a man can have a gynecomastia issue. A prolactin hormone if disturbed, a man can have a galactorrhea and a testosterone imbalances also. So testosterone hormone is also very closely linked with the prolactin hormone, right? This prolactin hormone has a very short half-life. That means around 20 minutes. During this 20 minutes of the time, the prolactin hormone secretion as well as the clearance from the body begins. And that is the reason why the pulsatile action of this hormone helps this hormone to function throughout the day as and when needed. Alright. Now, when we talk about the morphological form, this hormone comes in a 3 form: small, large and very large. Small, big and biggest. Okay. Now among these 3 forms, the small form is a very important. It is this small form which is a mainly active. Nearly 80% of the hormone secretion is in the small form. And it is this hormone which is physiologically most active. Prolactin hormone is also influenced by the stress in our body. Whether we talk about the physical stress, mental stress or emotional stress, any moment of a stress, prolactin hormone starts rising, and that's why we also call it as a stress hormone. So if you do your prolactin hormone testing, let's say after exercise, after having a physical intimate relationship, prolactin hormone will be on a higher side. Alright, so that's what we learned about prolactin hormone. In our upcoming series, we are going to talk about how do we do the prolactin hormone test, what are the abnormalities, how thyroid and prolactin hormone is connected, and plenty many more on that. Alright, I hope after watching this video, you got some good and useful information. If yes, please click on the like button. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you get more and more health related information. If you have any of your personal question whose answer you are seeking for, write that in the comment box below. I try to read and answer them as early as I can. We will meet again in some other good, useful information. And one more thing for your information, I have this YouTube channel in another two languages, in Hindi and Gujarati. So if that language is of your interest, you can watch that video in those languages also. Stay tuned. We will meet again. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Namaste.